Hello guys, so today's vlog it's another tutorial, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect the DJI Mic 2. We have dual DJI Mic 2 dual here to the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I'm gonna show you now how to connect. And again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now guys. But first, make sure that your DJI Action 2 is fully charged or with the charge, and also your camera, which is a DJI Action 5 Pro. So let's start now guys. First, we need to remove the two transmitter or just the microphone. You don't need the receiver. So let's keep aside the receiver. Now we have two transmitter or two mic with the DJI Action 5. So I turn on the DJI Action 2. Now we need to turn on the two DJI Action camera. But before we go to turn on, just go with the settings from your DJI Action 2, and this icon, I think this is a setting icon for the last part. See, 1, 2, 3. Next on the sun, brightness, this one. That's okay. Just go down, you will see wireless microphone. Wireless mic. Control with wireless mic. Now you can see TX and TX1 and TX2. And TX1, TX2, just sample. Press the TX1. See, long press and hold the button, record button, which is this one, record button. Just long press, it turns into a solid blue. So it will become solid blue. Then that's the time press and hold the linking button. So this is our linking button. This one. Yeah, this is the linking button, and yeah, it will link to the Osmo Action 5. So let's try now. First, open the DJI. Yeah, this is the button. Just open. Okay. After open, just long press this one. Just long press. It will blink with the solid blue. Okay. Yeah, solid blue now. It's blink. Just blink. Hold this bottle. It will blinking fast the blue. Yes. Now it's wireless mic connected. So we have one connected mic. Okay. Confirm. Now we have the transmitter too. Let's try. Okay. Same procedure. Just open. Okay. Now press hold until it becomes solid blue. Let's see, it becomes solid blue. Okay, let's wait until it becomes solid blue. Yeah, solid blue. Then press this linking button to blink. So just wait. It's blinking and it will pair. Now it's pairing now. DJI Mic 2 transmitter 2 connected to the and ready to use. Please confirm. Now we have already two wireless hello test mic. So yeah. So we have two wireless microphone connected without your transmitter. Have LED, monitor your volume. See, you can adjust your monitor your volume. Next, vibration, dual audio recording, low cut filter, 32-bit recording. If you want to record 32-bit here from the microphone itself or the transmitter, you can record. Auto power off, formatting, you can format after recording the transmitter or the mic itself, which is a built-in mic, a built-in memory to record. Yeah. So this is how to connect your DJI Mic 2, which is two transmitter, to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this DJI product, the DJI Action 5 Pro, the new DJI Action 5 Pro, and of course the DJI Mic 2, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, and shout out also to the microphone that I use. This is the Holyland Lark M2. Thank you for the Holyland. So ayan, shout out to Holyland, and this is the quality also of the Holyland. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability for all DJI product that we have, from Action 2, from Osmo Pocket, from Dji Osmo Mobile, which is I'm using also here, and also drones like Mini 4, Avatar, Neo. We have Neo also available. So all the DJI product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.